Now let us take up the harmful activities of fungi, means the fungi causing diseases in plants and animals. Plant diseases. White rust of crucifers is caused by albugo candida or cystopus candidus. You can see on the crucifery these white spots. Late blight potato by Phytophthora infestans, also called as Irish famine. You know, this is a classical case. It appeared in 1845 and lakhs of people died because of starvation. And it is popularly referred as Irish famine. This is the potato crop was damaged. Early blight potato by Alternaria solanae. Loose smut of wheat by Astilago tritici, black rust of wheat by Puccinia graminis tritici. This is Alternaria solanae causing early blight, and this is Puccinia graminis tritici on the wheat. Red rot of sugar cane by Coletotrichum falcatum. Ticca disease of groundnut by Cercospora personata. This is Coletotrichum falcatum. You can see the red transverse bands on the sugarcane. And this is the Cercospora personata, the ticca disease of groundnut. Wilt of error by Fusarium species. Maize smut Astilago maedis. Sesamum or brown leaf spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryzae, and this was the cause of Bengal famine, which appeared in undivided Bengal in 1943, and lakhs of people died due to starvation. This is Helminthosporium oryzae, which is sesamum or brown leaf spot of rice. Phytoalexins are antibody-like materials or chemical substances produced in the host plant body after infection by microbes like fungi, bacteria, and viruses. These substances are mostly phenolic compounds. The term phytoalexin was given by Muller and Borger in 1940. This is the phytoalexin, the chemical nature. These phytoalexins inhibit the development of pathogens in general and fungal pathogens in particular. For example, lichen produced in potato infected by Phytophthora infestans, pisitin and fasciolin, etc. Human diseases. Some important ones are aspergillosis, lung disease by Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus flavus, and Aspergillus fumigatus. Ringworm by Trichophyton and Microsporum. This is Aspergilloma, you can see